Hey, for our 2 tips today, we're going to talk about education savings and business equipment purchases. For education savings, there are 2 valid options. One is a state 529 plan. There's no deduction for putting the money in, but all the accumulation in earnings and value can come out tax-free when the money is used for qualified higher education expenses like tuition and fees, and also room and board. So this is a pretty good deal. I'll give you a link to the CFNC website where there's more details. Another possible option for some taxpayers is to use a Roth IRA. It's not traditionally thought of as an education savings plan. However, when the money comes out of a Roth IRA, the earnings come out, they're taxed, but they're not subject to a 10% penalty if the money is used for tuition and fees, room or board, qualified education expenses. I'll give you a link that gives you more details on using a Roth IRA for education savings. Now, on to year-end business equipment purchases. A lot of you know that you may be able to expense up to $500,000 worth of business equipment purchases. It's a pretty good deal. It works for equipment, furnitures and fixtures, and automobiles that are rated for greater than 6,000 pounds. The bad thing to look out for is that the write-off is limited to $25,000 for SUVs that are over 6,000 pounds. And if you're buying a car that's under 6,000 pounds, there's really very little tax benefit. Another thing is that the Section 179 expensing of up to $500,000 does not apply to land or commercial buildings. So beware, does not apply to land or commercial buildings. How much does the Section 179 expense save you? Well, it saves you at your incremental tax rate. So if you buy something that costs $30,000 and if you're in the 30% tax rate, it will save you $9,000. If you buy something that costs $30,000, you're in the 45% tax rate, it'll save you $13,500. Generally speaking, the Section 179 expense will allow you to get a net cost of the asset of about 2/3 of what it cost you. Usually the tax savings will be about 1/3. So next time we will talk about preventing fraud in business. Hope you enjoyed the 2 tips. I'll give you some links as always with more information. Have a great day. Thanks.